Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on or how to delete switch access shortcut from our accessibility button or from the side button press in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So if you have only one function under this button, we can simply drag it and drop it here. But if we have multiple functions under this button and we want to turn only our switch access off, then we need to go to settings, then accessibility. Next, here is switch access, and here is our shortcut switch. So turn it off, and now it's gone. Only this function has been turned off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.